I have an LG LED TV model number 55LX6500, and when I turn it on, I only get the standby light at the bottom right. I don't get our picture, LG logo, or backlight from the screen. So let's open it up and find out why this is happening. The most common fault we see is microfractures on the solder balls that connect the processor chip to the PCB. With the TV turning on and heating up, we get thermal expansion, and when the TV is turned off and cools down, thermal contraction. The thermal expansion occurring over and over is what causes those microfractures. What we're gonna do is take the main board and put it on our rework machine and resolder those solder balls. I've installed the main board back into our TV, so let's power it up and see what we get. And we get our LG logo, so we're getting backlight and picture this time. We have our HDMI 4, and I did put a Fire Stick already into that HDMI port, so let's wait a second. And we have proper functionality from our HDMIs. If you have a main board that has similar faults and you'd like to send it in for repair, we'll have a link down below in the description. If you found the content helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.